Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have permissions and a backup ready. Now open the Sharepoint site and go straight to site contents. Once there, locate the page or list you intend to update and click Edit. Make sure to use the modern page editor for faster layout changes and web parts. This avoids legacy quirks. If you're updating documents, navigate to the library, select files, and use version history to preserve copies. Keep navigation visible so you don't lose context as you begin edits. Now execute the core changes. Edit the page, add or configure web parts, and adjust section columns to match content hierarchy. When updating lists, edit columns, set required fields, and update views to filter relevant records. This improves usability. For document libraries, apply or update metadata, set required versioning, and confirm unique permissions for sensitive folders. Once changes are in place, use Save as Draft or Publish to control visibility. Make sure to finish by publishing the updated pages and running a quick QA pass. Click through navigation, test search results, and view the site on mobile. Once satisfied, announce the changes to stakeholders and provide a link plus rollback instructions. Transparency reduces confusion. If something breaks, revert to the previous version via version history, clear your browser cache, and verify site and list permissions. If persistent, check the site collection recycle bin and consult the tenant admin. This sequence ensures a clean, recoverable deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.